The US government will be distributing $2 trillion. The CARES Act has been recently passed. What does it stand for? Coronavirus Aid, Relief and Economic Security Act. So now that you know what it stands for, let's see how you may qualify. First, let's start with the fact that this act is over 800 pages long. So what I've done was I searched the web to bring you a highlight reel of how the largest stimulus in US history may be of help to you. This video is going to be informative. It will cover you if you have a business, you lost your job, you're in the gig economy as an independent contractor or freelancer, and it'll unsolve the mystery about these direct cash payments. I do my very best to try to simplify the CARES Act provisions, but please note that I'm not an accountant and I'm not an attorney. So please seek a professional in that field if you need the advice. I also included links in the description of this video. This is so you can go to articles which I use to source the information and dig deeper and get more details on what may work for you. So let me answer 4 big questions. Number 1 is, are you eligible for the cash payment? Most individuals earning less than $75,000 a year can expect a one-time cash payment of $1,200. It's more for married couples. Each one would receive a check for $1,200. And if they have children, well, there'll be $500 for each dependent child. This means that a married couple with children, say 2 children as dependents, will be receiving a one-time direct payment of $3,400. Number 2, did you lose your job? Unemployment is available to people who qualify. However, this bill is going to add an extra $600 per week from the federal government. That's in addition to the amount that the employer already receives from the state. This is supposed to last about 4 months. And if you've already ran through your unemployment benefits, you might still be eligible to receive the federal money. Number 3, are you a small business owner? If you're a small business, this act provides major help. They have $10 billion available for grants of up to $10,000 for each business. Now, this is provided as emergency funds, which is basically to cover immediate expenses. In addition to the $10 billion, however, there's $350 billion set aside for Small Business Administration to provide loans. These loans are to be used to maintain payroll, keep workers on the books, pay rent, and existing debt may also be able to be forgiven. And that is if you participate in the Paycheck Protection Program and basically keep employees employed up at least till the end of June. Are you a freelancer or an independent contractor? Last year it was reported that as many as 57 million people in the US are freelancers or self-employed independent contractors. That's about 30% of the American workforce. Independent contractors and freelancers know that we can shoot for the sky and fall way below the ground. And that is because we're not eligible for unemployment. We basically have no safety net. But with this act, a new temporary pandemic unemployment assistance program was created. This program is providing $600 per week throughout the end of the year. I hope this can bring financial relief and more importantly, emotional relief. I mean, we're fortunate to live in this great nation that's very, very invested in its people. And I know this is not going to solve all problems, but it will definitely give us a major, major boost to get us going into the right direction and do what Americans do, which is to innovate. And as we innovate, we're going to solve the problems of many other people. And that's what we do best. And as this continues, take this time to reflect, spend time with family, and on your own, start studying the events. Start studying the people that have made it through some of the worst economic times, have been able to survive, and keep your mind moving forward. As always, I'll be sure to bring you more information. Do go ahead and subscribe and become a neighbor. In the meantime, I hope to very soon be able to see you again back in the neighborhood.